I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the PDF itself is ready to print. Open the file and scan pages quickly for missing fonts or unwanted blank pages. Once done, make sure your printer is powered and connected, USB or Wi-Fi, and that paper and ink or toner are present. This avoids mid-job failures. Next, select the appropriate paper size and orientation in the viewer. This is important because mismatched size or orientation causes scaling or cropping when you actually send the job to the printer. You now open the print dialog, Ctrl+P or File Print, and focus on the options that affect output. Choose a page range if you do not need the whole document, enter the number of copies, and pick color versus grayscale to save ink. Make deliberate choices about scaling. Fit will avoid clipping, while actual size preserves dimensions. Use Preview to confirm. If you want double-sided printing, enable duplex, otherwise select single side. These settings control how the file translates to paper. You hit print and then watch the printer queue for progress or error messages. This step matters because many issues appear immediately in the queue. If a page prints incorrectly, cancel and adjust settings. Try printing as an image or switching to actual size to resolve missed fonts or rendering quirks. When jobs get stuck, restart the printer and the PDF viewer and check that drivers are current. These simple resets often clear stale connections or spooler problems, so you can send the job again successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.